The Okeechobee County desert areas. As you see in the picture, this is the outline of this county, and according to the Census Bureau, the population is 42,168 with the 12 constituted places inside the county, and also people are going to their work. Average time is 24.4 minutes. Here we will see the profile of hospitals. As you see, just one hospital located in the city, and the rest of the hospitals are outside of the city. And now we will see the pharmacy profile. As you see, all the pharmacies are located near to the cities, Okeechobee city, and out of the 8 pharmacies, only 6 are working, and only one pharmacy is open 18 hours a day, and rest of the pharmacies are outside of the county. So if you see on the east coast, most of the pharmacies are there, and in the west just one pharmacy is located outside the county. So now we will see the application I have created here for the Okeechobee County. As you see, I have added the map here. Now I'll just add the state roads. These blue lines are showing the state roads, main state roads, and here I have added the Florida census block. So here I have already filtered only Okeechobee County area, and let me make it zoom. Okay, so this one is just to understand the boundary line, how much is the county has the boundary line, and this one is H represents the hospital, just one hospital as I said to you, and the pharmacies are red dots. So now first we will see walking time from the hospital. So walking time from the hospital, I have added a buffer of 30 minutes and 60 minutes. So let's see how much area has been covered inside this. Let me zoom it. So as you see, the blue portion area, it's 60 minutes from the hospital, and 30 minutes, the orange one is the 30 minutes of area. So let me see, now I will show you the walking time from the pharmacies. Here I have added 3 buffers to understand how much area will be maximum covered by walking. So if you see 20 minutes, 45 minutes and 59 minutes. So this from all the pharmacies, red is 20 minutes, 45 minutes is blue, and in an hour is the green area from the walking. So let me show you the driving time from the hospital, 20 and 45 minutes. So as you see, it covers most of the county. Let me zoom in. So if you see, in the 20 minutes, the orange area is accessible to the hospital, and the blue area is in the 45 minutes of time zone. So people can go outside the hospital for their treatments, but if you see, the upper north is still not accessible in 45 minutes of duration. So that means definitely they need more than that time. And as you see, most of the Okeechobee County area is under the agricultural land. So let me turn off this one, and let's see, the driving time from the pharmacies are 30 minutes and 45 minutes. As you see, within a 30 minutes it covers the most of the area, and within the 45 minutes people can go outside this area. As you see, some of the pharmacies are near to the Port St. Louis. They can access within a 45 minutes of time, these people. But in this case also, still the upper north is still not accessible to the pharmacies. So definitely they are taking more time. So I have here added the widget of business analyst, and another widget is just a measurement, and another one is the near me. So this widget we can see the how much time it will take just to measure the distance. So if I'll just click on this one, and we will see the measure in miles. So if I'll just click on this 24 time to the hospital, and there are pharmacies as well. So if you see, the maximum distance from this area to this area is 24 mile almost. And let me give you a quick one to let me use this one, business analyst tool. Now we will have a maximum area. Okay, so if you see this north side, I'm gonna cover this area which is not inside the color mapped. So now we will run here the infographics. As you see, I have selected the area, desert areas, and here we will see the risk of the population. Let me run the infographics, and result will take a few seconds, sorry. And if you see, under the disability, 95 people are under the disability, and above the 65 plus population is 129. And in this age structure, if you see, 18 to 65 people are more, 435. And if you see, their median age is just 44, so that means definitely for the 65 plus people are getting a less attention, or maybe people don't have that access to go to the hospitals or maybe their healthcare centers. So now we will run the another infographic of commute profile to understand how much people are working. So by walking, people are going 1.9%, and most of the people are using a carpooled service. And if you see, this area, maximum time has been taken to their work is 30 to 34 minutes, and even 90 plus minute also. That's the second one highest bar. And 73% people are going to the work with their own car. Now here we will see another profile of healthcare. As you see, in the healthcare, only 40 people are having a Medicare, and they are spending their the health healthcare expenditure is 3,500, and if you see, no health insurance is in this age bracket 35 to 64 is 12%, and this is the whole profile of the healthcare of that particular customed polygon. We can see the different profile as well. If we see the employment profile of this area, so as you see, 18% people are going their work and spending literally 7+ hours per week just for commute, and 73% people are using their car. As you see, there are other factors are here also. Employments and key facts and the education profile is there. So thank you so much for watching this video.